Good day everyone, we are Group 2 from Grade 11 Bernoulli, and here is our presentation for Week 5, Application of Definite Integrals.
In this problem, we need to find the area of the curve, given that our functions are y is equal to x squared and y is equal to the square root of x, with 1/4 and 1 as the interval. So, the area between the curve fx and gx in the range of interval ab can be expressed as a is equal to the integral from a to b fx minus gx dx. After this, we can now use the formula to find the area, giving us the final answer of 49/192, or 0.26 units. Now, here is the visual representation of the graph.
This number, we have a function y is equals to x cubed minus 4x with 0 and 2 as the interval. With this, we can use the formula integral absolute value of f of x minus g of x dx, then eliminate those absolute values, perform the sum and power rule, then simplify till we get an answer of 4 units, and this is the visual presentation of the graph.
The given are y is equal to cosine 2x, y is equal to 0, and the limits are pi over 4 and pi over 2. We can solve for the area using the formula area is equal to the integral from pi over 4 to pi over 2 of 0 dx minus the integral of pi over 4 to pi over 2 of cosine 2x dx. Then combine the two integrals into 1 and move the constant -1 out of the integral. Then, we can now integrate it using u substitution. Let u is equal to 2x and 1/2 du is equal to dx. The integral from pi over 4 to pi over 2 of cosine u times 1/2 du. And since 1/2 is constant, move out of the integral. The integral of cosine u is sine u. Then, substitute back 2x to the function. We can now evaluate this as -1/2 times sine 2x minus sine 2x. Then, substitute the limits to x and simplify. We can now get the area is equal to 1/2 units.
Our problem states that a certain dining room can be described by the region bounded by the y-axis, x-axis, and the line y is equal to 25 minus 5x and y is equal to 1/2 x plus 3. The dining room has to be tiled by linoleum, which costs 100 pesos per square meter. Find the cost of the linoleum needed to cover the dining room. In our problem right here, the first thing we need to do is we need to find the areas of the two lines y is equal to 25 minus 5x and y is equal to 1/2 x plus 3. So as you can see, we have here the graph, and looking at the graph, we can see the points given by our line equation, which are 0.03 to 45 is given by y is equal to 1/2 x plus 3, and the line from 0.45 to 50 is given by y is equal to 25 minus 5x. And as you all know, the points given by our line equation is very crucial in finding the area of our problem right here. And now, let's proceed finding the area of the dining room. Basically, to find the area, we just need to find the values of r sub 1 and r sub 2, then add the both of them. And in our problem right here, you can already see the values of r sub 1 and r sub 2, 16 and 2.5 respectively. And adding 16 and 2.5 will give the area of our dining room, which is equal to 18.5 square meter. And obviously, we're not yet done, because in our problem right here, what we're trying to find is the cost of the linoleum needed to cover the dining room. So for us to be able to get the cost of linoleum, we just need to proceed to step 2. We need to multiply the area by 100 pesos to get the cost of linoleum. So 18.5 square meters times 100 pesos will be equal to 1,850 pesos. Therefore, the cost of linoleum needed to cover the dining room is 1,850 pesos.
That is all for our video this week. We hope you learned something new in our presentation. Once again, thank you for listening.